In this video, I'll be showing you how to Nvidia driver install. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's super simple to go ahead and do this. But what you want to do, you can't use the old GeForce Experience method. You're going to have to go over to your browser of choice and then go ahead and download Nvidia app. Even when you get a new PC or a laptop, this isn't going to be something that's going to be automatically installed. So you want to go over to this and download this. It's completely free to do and it's obviously official. And then once you have, all you want to do is go ahead and download and open up your Nvidia application. It's going to show that it's preparing to install an update and everything. So just wait for it to open up. And then once it's opened up, you're going to see a few different tabs on the left once it loads up. And again, if there's any pop-ups, just close them. And you just want to go over to drivers like so. It's just going to be loading any driver that needs to update. It shows the exact version, exactly when it was released. So the last one was on the 5th of January. So all I want to do now is click download. It's going to be downloading it, and then after it's downloaded, you're going to have to install it. Your monitor might flicker a few times, and once it's installed, it's going to let you know. And then what you got to go ahead and do to make sure that it's working properly, you just go ahead and restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, your game should be working a lot smoother. And that's it, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.